Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today is really an interesting video and I have this Amazon find that I have bought from Amazon. When I was searching for embossing folders, I find this very interesting sort of inlay. It's a silicone inlay and there was I think two more. They were a holographic, so they were really the simple ones that we use a lot and we have seen them. But this was a very different design. It's sort of 3D, so I really wanted to try it. So what I'm doing here is I have taken this old coaster again, and this is the back of the coaster that I have done in black. So I really wanted a black base for this, so instead of making a new coaster I used this one. So what I'm doing here is I am just adding a simple layer of clear resin on top of this coaster. And by the way, I'm using craft resin here. So I have a discount code for this resin available in my description, so if you're interested you can have a look. So I'm just using a simple clear plain resin on the top of this coaster. You can use any mold. You can make a black coaster, and then when you're making the coaster you can add the inlay, but this time I'm just doing it like this. And after adding a layer of clear resin, I'm just using my heat gun to remove any bubbles that I have on this resin here. So this is the inlay, and I'm just experimenting with it, and this is my first time, so I'm just checking it for now, but I think it has a lot of potential. Something a bit different from holographic. So here it is, and it was reminding me of something like a honeybee hive, so I really wanted to try it. So black is the best option, and what you do here is you set your inlay in the center and slowly release it, so that in this way you get less bubbles. So I will leave this to cure. So this is the next day. It's all been cured now. So I'm just slowly removing it now. So let's see the effect it gives. So this is the effect, and I was actually thinking that I will be getting some sort of this effect, but I'm loving it. I did it on black, but there is a lot of potential and many ideas were coming in my mind to use it. So this is how it looks, a 3D beehive. That's what I'm looking at. So this was a quick tutorial, and I will link the inlay in my description, and if you like to purchase you can buy it. It's really not that expensive. We all have used inlays, and those were holographic inlays and some other designs as well, but this is I think really different. And when I have taken outside into the sun, I was kept on playing with this effect. It was so amazing. You can see there's a crystal named obsidian. It gives me that look, and also there are some other crystals. So everything was giving me different effects, but initially I thought of a beehive. If you think, please do let me know in comments. So like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. And also please don't mind, because I have kept playing with this coaster for some time and there is a video going on and I haven't deleted it because the effect was so amazing. So bye bye.